All right, so Mr. Owaisi's foray in Tamil Nadu, that is something that we are going to keep a very close eye on. Now, let me take you back to West Bengal, because in the state of West Bengal, the Prime Minister at his Brigade Road rally, he tore into Mamata Banerjee, especially on the law and order situation and the security of the women in the state. Now, the political face-off has erupted between the BJP and the TMC over the issue of women's safety on Women's Day. Mamata Banerjee, leading the charge, hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a mega rally in Kolkata, saying that women in Bengal can roam freely even after midnight, unlike BJP-ruled states like Uttar Pradesh, where women can't step out of their house after 3 in the afternoon. Lashing out, Mamata said Prime Minister must focus on crime against women in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh before giving sermons to Bengal.
নারীদের অধিকার রক্ষা করা আমাদের প্রথম দায়িত্ব, আমাদের প্রাথমিক দায়িত্ব। মহিলাদের অসম্মান করা আমরা মানব না, নারী শক্তিকে অসম্মান করা আমরা মানব না। আমার ঘরের মা, আমার ঘরের বোন, আমার ঘরের ভাই, আমার ঘরের বৌমা, আমার ঘরের ছোট্ট ছোট্ট ভাই বোনেরা, মনে রাখবেন তারাই বাংলাকে গড়েছে, দেশ গড়েছে। বলে কিনা বাংলা দখল করবে, আমরা বলি আগে সামলা দিল্লি, তারপরে ভাববি বাংলা দিল্লি। যতই করো হামলা, জবাব দেবে বাংলা। যতই করো জুমলা, জবাব দেবে বাংলা। শুধু লিখে এসে বক্তব্য বললাম, কি বাংলা কেমন আছো দেখে দেখে পড়লাম, ওতে বাংলা শেখা যায় না। আমি তোমায় না দেখে বলবো কি কেমছো ভালছো, আমি না দেখে বলবো তোমাদের। সুতরাং এসব বলে কোনো লাভ নেই। বাংলা কো বানায়েগা, বাংলা মে কুছ নেই হুয়া হ্যায়। বাংলাতে 9 বছরে কি হয়েছে আপনারা জানেন? 1 বছর তো কোভিড হয়েছে, 8 বছর টাইম পেয়েছি, তার মধ্যে কোভিড 1 বছর। আমফানের ঝড়ে সব নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে। আমফানে নবান্নর বিল্ডিং সহ সারা বাংলা কাঁপছিল, তোমরা কেউ ছিলে না, আমরাই ওই বিল্ডিং এ বসে সারাক্ষণ মানুষকে পাহারা দিয়েছিলাম।
থেকে যেই আসুক, যেখান থেকে যেই আসুক, সবসময় মাথায় রাখতে হবে, যারা আসছে তাদের এই কথাটা বুঝিয়ে দিতে হবে যে বাংলা নিজের মেয়েকেই চায়। তাই আমার সঙ্গে বলুন, বাংলা নিজের, বাংলা নিজের।
আমরা মহিলাদেরকে আগে জায়গা দিই, সীতারাম বলি, আগে সীতাকে বলি, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলি। তো ভারতবর্ষের নারী সম্মান, নারীর অধিকার, নারীর যোগ্যতার সম্মান যুগ যুগ হয়ে আসে। আজকে বিদেশি যে ভাবধারা আসার জন্য এটা আলাদা করে করতে হচ্ছে, নারীদের অপমান হচ্ছে, অসম্মান হচ্ছে। দুর্ভাগ্যের বিষয়, পশ্চিমবাংলায় আজকে নারী অসুরক্ষা চরম। নারী সুরক্ষা নিয়ে ভাবতে হচ্ছে আমাদের।
Right, so this battle of, war of words on women's security started after Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal of not being able to control the law and order situation, making the state very unsafe for the women. Listening to what the Prime Minister had said.
क्या गरीब के रहे भी राजनीति करेंगे? लेकिन अफसोस है साथियों कि देश में टीएमसी सरकार गरीबों पर झूठ बोल के राजनीति करने पर तुली हुई है। हर घर जल पहुंचाने के लिए केंद्र सरकार जो पैसे भेज रही है, उसका बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा आज तक यहां की सरकार खर्च ही नहीं कर पाई है। और आज इस ब्रिगेड ग्राउंड से पूरे बंगाल के लोगों से पूछता हूं, क्या टीएमसी सरकार बंगाल के गरीबों, यहां की महिलाओं, यहां के बच्चों की गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? इस चुनाव में उसे सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? जोरों से सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए?
So on the Women's Day, when the women's security issue is right now ruling the roost in the conversation in Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee is being projected as Bengal ki beti, and the Prime Minister says that women in Bengal are not safe, on that very day, a prominent BJP leader, Sonali Guha, who is also a 4-time MLA, shifted from the TMC and has now joined the BJP. Now, 4-time MLA Sonali Guha, one of the closest aides of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, jumped the ship and joined the BJP. She's a sitting MLA from the Sadgachia in South 24 Pargana area. Sonali Guha was missed after she was denied ticket from the TMC for the upcoming assembly poll. Sonali is one of the sitting MLAs who did not get the ticket in the list, which was just a couple of days back announced by the TMC Supremo, Mamata Banerjee.
हमने तृणमूल छोड़ा नहीं, तृणमूल ही हमको छोड़ दिया। हम कांग्रेस के पास जा सकता था, लेकिन कांग्रेस का बहुत सारा आदमी, हजारों के ऊपर आदमी सीबीआई के हाथ मर्डर हुआ, उसके साथ ही कांग्रेस ने गठबंधन कर लिया। फिर नेक्स्ट जो ऑप्शन था वो बीजेपी ही था, इसीलिए मैंने बीजेपी का साथ ज्वाइन कर लिया। ये तो ममता दीदी बता सकती है कि क्यों हमारा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं आया।
आपको गुस्सा आया कि आपको दुख हुआ?
दुख हुआ।
Joining me on the 6 p.m. prime face-off this evening is Mr. Saurav Sikdar, leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Riju Datta, spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, is also joining us this evening. Gentlemen, welcome and thank you so much for being with us. I want to start with you, Riju Datta. On a day when Mamata Banerjee is leading an all-women rally, she is attacking the Prime Minister, giving him sermons about the women's security. A leader from your own party switches to the Bharatiya Janata Party. If politics is about perception, today possibly was not a good day for the TMC.
First of all, a very good evening to Ankit. And before I answer your Sonali Guha question, I want to talk about the situation of women in West Bengal. First of all, I want to say that as per NCRB data 2019, Calcutta is the safest city for women in this country. Secondly, Mamata Banerjee is the only female chief minister that provides free ration, free healthcare and free education to every resident of this state. So she is the definition of women empowerment. And now there are certain schemes I want to mention on your channel because it is viewed by millions all over the world. First is Kanyashree, which gives 69 lakh girls in this state they empower them to pursue education. Then there is Rupasri, where parents cannot get their girls married off because they have financial constraints. They are being given 25,000. And the most important scheme is every head of the family, the lady head of the family, is being given a Shastro Shati card where every resident of the family will get 5 lakh health insurance. What more can you ask for? This government has empowered women. Ankit, can I just finish my last sentence, please?
But Mr. Datta, I just want to understand from you. I was talking about the optics today. On a day on, Women's Day, when Mamata Banerjee decides to, in fact, lead an all-women rally, she speaks about women empowerment. Whatever you have quoted is all fine, but sir, your leaders are leaving you, and especially women MLAs.
Okay, now I will answer you on Sonali. Yes, I will answer you on that. See, Ankit, if you remember very clearly, before our candidate list was announced, we mentioned that we will bench a lot of MLAs, some because of health issues, some because of age, and some because of tarnished image. Now, we have not given tickets to a lot of MLAs. We have 41% representation in the Lok Sabha, 41% in the Rajya Sabha. Now, on Sonali Guha, she was benched. Now, the reason the election committee knows. Now, if she decides, she will jump ship. Now, BJP has become, the BJP, we are seeing a new face of BJP. It's called Tatkal BJP. You can also call them borrowed Janata Party that is leaving out the rejects of other parties. So, you know, in democracy, everybody can pick and choose their side.
Let me get...
clip you played, Ankit, 1 second. The clip
Let me get Saurav Sikdar to respond to that.
She said, I want to go to Congress, but I didn't go. I want to go to BJP. So she is only saying BJP was a second fiddle.
We heard that. We heard that. Mr. Saurav Sikdar, before, in fact, I talk about Sonali coming to your party, the fact is for a state like Uttar Pradesh, where every third day we are hearing of gruesome, crime against women, which is ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Prime Minister making an equivalence, at least with even with the NCRB data, that doesn't hold ground.
The problem is in West Bengal, all the police station, most of the police station, police personnel acts as a TMC cadre. A woman, if she heckled, if she has been tortured, if she has been raped, She is not able to launch a complaint also. So don't go on this data and all. And very surprisingly, just Rijuda was talking about the joining and why they left TMC. Even after getting ticket, two of your candidates, Chiuli Chaha and Sarla Murmu, both of women, they also left the party because no politician, no gentleman, no gentlewoman with self-respect can't stand in TMC. That is the truth. And each and every person, when they left the party, they are saying the same thing. With self-respect,
Right.
nobody can stand there.
Okay. But Mr. Sikdar, but tell me one thing. In terms of representation, the TMC has given more tickets to women in comparison as far as whatever the BJP has said, has so far, in fact, what we know from our sources. And also if you compare what the BJP and the TMC ticket distribution was in the 2019 Lok Sabha election as well, more women are being represented. Representation for the women is more in the TMC. Is it open for all right now in the BJP because of the election season, or are you seriously talking about women empowerment? Are you going to set an example by giving tickets to more women?
Of course, we are seriously talking about the women empowerment. As you whole country knows, Vasundhara Raje Scindia, she was the women power chief minister of our party. And only 2 phases ticket has been announced. Just wait for that. Equal numbers of women tickets are expecting in the list. And the BJP is only the party where we say that she is always superior than he, because S is there, superior than he. That's why
before
she.
Right. Let me. And similarly, even West Bengal is being led by a woman, because you quoted a woman chief minister's example. But what I want to understand from you, sir, is for the Bharatiya Janata Party right now, it's open season for all. It doesn't matter what your background is. If you are miffed with the TMC because the BJP doesn't have the bench strength of its own, you are now importing everybody. I mean, who's your face? You got Mithun Da yesterday. Now you are getting all the MLAs, those who are not getting ticket in the TMC. Is it only about BJP's Vichardhara, or anybody from any walk of life right now will work? Mithun Da, will he be your chief ministerial face?
When is there any official announcement from the party that Mithun Da is going to be our chief ministerial face? The contribution of Mithun Chakravarti in West Bengal.
That is why I'm asking you, sir.
No, it has not been announced. That party will decide whether who is going to be the chief ministerial face. We have a system. Almost in 5-6 states, we decided our chief minister face after election. There is a certain process. There is a committee who decides the chief ministerial face, or who will be going to be the chief minister. But
there seems to be a certain process, but that process seems to be anybody before elections in a crucial state is welcome in the BJP, no matter what their background is or no matter which party they are coming from. Nobody is untouchable. So there is no Vichardhara. It's only about getting people and trying to create a narrative. Mr. Datta, how do you counter that? Stars after stars, hordes of people from the TMC, big faces in West Bengal, all are going towards the BJP. Should we take it as an indication of which way is the wind blowing? Mithun Da is a big catch, isn't it?
See, I will answer a couple of points that Mr. Sikdar raised, and then I'll jump into your question. He first said that the women in Bengal cannot go to a police station and complain. For his records, Mamata Banerjee has formed more than 100 police stations, which are women police stations, only and only for women. There are 52 fast-track courts only to hear women complaints. Now, let Mr. Saurabh, let me speak, and then, Arey Baba, let me speak, and then you can hear me out, and then you can rebut. Na Baba. So, let him also explain why during the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, 66 candidates who has got criminal cases with involved criminal charges against women were given tickets by BJP. Now, like I said, Ankit, coming to Mithun Da and the exodus, you know, BJP has become a borrowed Janata Party. It's a Tatkal BJP. They have no ideology. They will take everybody, and we expected that. That's why the MLAs that we have benched, because of whatever reason, maybe they're tarnished or age or whatever, we have published our 291 list. They have published 57 names, not even the total names.
No,
of
but Mr.
players.
Datta,
So we have
why
done
I am
them a
saying
favor
that
giving them tickets.
Mr. Datta, you might have done them a favor, but why I'm talking specifically about Mithun Chakrabarti, because he is a Bengali icon. He's a big star. He spoke to my colleague Indrajit. I just want you to listen in to what he told him after, after speaking at the rally where the Prime Minister was at the Brigade ground. Just listen in to what he said, and I'm just going to come back to you because this is somebody who is loved, who is respected in West Bengal. He's bound to have an impact if he stands colored saffron today. Listen in.
It's a big decision, but how did this come about?
First of all, that big day for politics, then, sorry, I have not joined it for politics because I do not understand Rajniti. I believe in Manusha Niti. Manav Niti mein believe karta hu main. And my thinking always goes towards that. I know people are talking pehle extremist ke saath tha, fir Subhash Da ke saath. But if you look at the scenario, I've been with Jyoti Basu, I have been with Subhash Da because they are for the people. I do not have political ambitions, but for the sake of the people of Bengal, if I have to take a plunge in a bigger way, I will do it.
You really think Modi ji can make a difference to Bengal?
He's making a difference to the not only India, but if you are really open up, then he has done a lot of difference in the world even, as one of the biggest leaders.
What is going to be your role in the BJP then? Will you fight this election? That's the big question.
Right now, that is from the above, they will tell me, I'll follow that.
You're open to that idea?
Anything they say. And right now, I'm going to campaign for them, as many as them they want me to do.
Many are saying that possibly you can be the prospective chief ministerial candidate. Is there something in your mind?
In my mind, how dare I do? But it is a protocol of the top leaders, and I will not break that protocol. Because we have leaders like Dilip Da, Kailash ji and others, all big leaders. They have made BJP what they are today.
Where is your ideological positioning, your personal?
Now, tell me one thing. Do we not have the same language? Every party talks about the poor people. Whether it is the extremist, communist, whether Trinamool or BJP or anybody. But wherever is the genuine stand, they will win. But ideology is the same, to do something for the poor people. And I follow the same rule.
He says all those BJP leaders are outsiders who are coming.
I do not know. Let them. I see, this is the talk between the two big leaders. And I'm not a leader. So I don't want to get into this and talk this bad. I don't believe in this. किसी के बारे में बुरी बात करता नहीं.
Message to Mamata Banerjee.
Good luck to everyone.
Riju Datta, you heard what Mithun Chakrabarti was saying, and as I was telling you earlier, he is an icon. I mean, people love him. He's a big Bengali star. He's a big icon from the state of West Bengal. And for somebody like him joining the BJP just ahead of the election, it is bound to dent the TMC's prospects, isn't it? He's a good campaigner as well. They have got a good catch in their hands, the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Yes, Ankit, just give me 20 seconds to explain Mithunda to you. Firstly, I will tell you there are two parts of Mithunda. One is politics, one is relevance. In politics, Mithunda started his political career as a Naxalite, then he joined Shiv Sena, then Congress, then Rajya Sabha from TMC, and then BJP. So he truly is a Mahaguru when it comes to changing ideologies. Now, secondly, you have to understand he quit 2016 Rajya Sabha stating health reasons, but the real reason was he was pressurized by ED and the BJP. And later on, we also found out that his wife and his son are implicated in a rape case in Mumbai. So obviously, he has to get all of them sorted out. Now, secondly, he talks to your journalists that he wants to do good for the people. So during Corona, during Amphan, why didn't he do something like Sonu Sood? He is also non-political. He should have done that. Unfortunately, he has to join BJP to do that.
Okay.
So we all understand. So we all understand when Mohan Bhagwat ji went to meet him that what poetry they were
Mr.
discussing.
Sikdar, is Mithun Chakrabarti the answer the answer for the Bharatiya Janata Party to all the charges that you don't have local leaders, that's outsiders, those who are from the BJP doing politics in West Bengal, and hence you get a Mithun Chakrabarti and try and make sure, or try at least project that this is a party which has Bengalis as well, Bengalis icon as well.
Mithunda has clearly stated that he is just want to be a part of nation making. And the Rijuda, why don't Rijuda mention the contribution of Mithun Chakrabarti for the thalassaemic patient? Why don't we contribution of Mithun Chakrabarti for the Bengal Football Academy? Lots of football players he promoted for Bengal football. Why he is not mentioning Mithunda's contribution to the poor? Why he is not mentioning Mithunda's contribution to staff people? Now, Mithunda has stated very clearly.
Okay, I will leave it there because both of you had your last word on Mithun Chakrabarti. But the fact is, sir, and gentlemen, the fact remains that we've seen how Mithun Chakrabarti has had, experience almost in every hue and color of politics when it comes to West Bengal. So that is what the beauty or the surprise of the politics is. When he was with the TMC, possibly he was taken with open arms as a big icon. Today he goes to the BJP, the TMC disses him, the BJP loves him. That's the game the politics and politicians play, ladies and gentlemen. Ultimately, the power to decide is in your hands. All this peripheral noise, all these big faces during the election and just before it, they will keep popping up. The choice, in the end, what is best for West Bengal, lies in the hands of the voter of West Bengal. Thank you so much, Riju Datta and Mr. Sikdar, for joining me this evening on the 6 p.m. Face-Off. I am quickly sipping into a break. On the other side, we'll shift focus.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.